you're all doing well. It is bright and sunny this beautiful Saturday morning, thank goodness, because it has been such a miserable and overcast couple of weeks. So I'm glad to see some blue skies. Not sure how long it's going to last. This wouldn't be a Singapore vlog without talking about the weather, would it?
No.
It's also a very British thing to talk about the weather, isn't it?
Oh, we need hot.
Yeah, like,
oh, we need cold.
I know Singaporeans say that they talk about weather all the time, but the Brits are just the same. Like, we always talk about the weather.
Never the right weather, is it, in the UK?
Yes, we're never happy with the weather in the UK.
Yeah.
But at least in Singapore, like, the weather's pretty, like, it's either raining or it's not, so there's not too much you can talk about. Anyway, we are on our way to East Coast. We're going for Prata this morning. We're going for Roti Prata breakfast. There is a place called Mr. and Mrs. Mogan's Prata, I think it's called. A lot of you guys have recommended it. I've actually passed it a few times when I've been in Joo Chiat as well. So yeah, so we're gonna get Prata for breakfast, and then we're just gonna wander around Joo Chiat, and I'll show you guys some of the areas if you haven't seen it before on the vlogs, and we'll probably grab a coffee or something like that. So thought we'd take you along with us this morning. Let's go for a little East Coast adventure. This is the place and the address for all of you guys that might be wondering if you want to go check it out for yourselves. Got all these electric cars lined up. Do you think you could fit in one of those? Yeah? If you guys haven't been to Joo Chiat before, these are the beautiful shop houses. One of my favourite streets in Singapore. Look at these houses! This road is always such a pain to cross. Which house would you choose?
Which one would I choose?
Yeah.
I like the purple one, actually.
The lilac one? It's so beautiful! We've ordered curry with prata, but it's a really long wait. This place is super popular, and we've even struggled to get a table. We're actually sharing a table, so now we just wait. How busy it is. We have come almost at lunchtime, so probably not the best idea. I feel like we're going to be waiting for about an hour.
1 hour later.
We've been waiting an hour now.
Yeah.
We're still waiting. Many of you guys have been here before. Let us know if you've waited this long. It is a bit ridiculous. It's definitely not like your typical port service. You get more and more impatient.
It better taste nice.
Or what?
Better be worth the wait. I'll flip some tables. So we are 147. It's only at 143. Oh my days. Oh my days.
Dun dun dun. Wow.
1 hour 15.
An hour 15. Is that all we got? I thought I ordered more than that. Oh dear, oh dear.
Those are very nice.
It does. So we've got the curry sauce, Prata here. Roti Prata, for anyone that doesn't know, is South Indian bread made with ghee, which is Indian butter.
Is it?
And it's delicious. Oh, we got cheese Prata.
Yeah. So let's open it up.
Taste test, honey. Is it cheesy?
Yeah.
Pretty cheesy. Oh, it smells good. Good?
Yeah. 10.
10. Damn. Pretty good.
Yeah.
It's good. That sauce, the curry, is actually quite spicy, isn't it? It's got a little bit of a kick to it.
Oh, I like it.
Quite a big kick, actually.
Nice.
This takes me back. I used to have this a lot at lunchtime. I haven't had it in ages. How much was it? $4.50 total. Okay, Justin's taking his ones that were for $2.50. This one was $4.50. Yeah, I don't know why it took so long today. I know it's Saturday and it's quite busy, but it's just very slow, wasn't it? Very slow service. So if you're gonna come at...
Don't come at 12.
Don't come at peak time, don't come at 12. Maybe come really early in the morning, it's probably better.
Love this big one. You have some one.
It's also really crispy, isn't it?
Yeah.
But the thing is, we're gonna demolish this in like
2 minutes. In for another mouthful. Oh! Thank you very much, sir.
That is really good.
This is for me.
We should have got more.
Yeah.
And just like that, it's gone. Alright, we're leaving now. Thoughts?
Yeah, it's really nice. I like it.
Yeah, it was really tasty, but like I said, I would advise that you go not at peak time and not at lunchtime.
Yeah.
Because it's super busy. But it was delicious. Probably didn't order enough
Certainly
either,
was
did we?
delicious.
We should have ordered double that amount.
Yeah.
The longer we waited, the hungrier we got. Probably going to look out for coffee shop. Coffee.
Free hugs inside.
Free hugs inside. Oh, I want a free hug. This shop here sells all these wicker chairs, and every time I pass it I really want to buy one. They're so cute. Hi.
Just hiding in the shade.
Just hiding.
Because I'm ginger.
Very hot one today, yeah? Let's keep walking up here. I was saying on my Instagram a little while ago, if you guys aren't already following me on Instagram, you can find me at the Vintage Vision. But I was saying, will I probably always regret not living in the East Coast? And I think the answer is yes. I just love it around here so much. Oh, there's some kind of celebration going on. I love this little shop. It's called Socrates. They have loads of cute stuff in here. Oh, I love these. Oh, they're naked. If you guys are into shopping or you're looking for a little gift shop, there's just so much cute stuff in there. It's called Socrates. I really recommend it. There's one here and there's one also in Tiongbaru. They just do really localized pieces and artwork. It's really cool. I want to buy everything in there every time I go, but I must resist. We're gonna go into this place, Sin Popo. Is that what it's called? I think it's like a localized coffee shop. Let's go check it out. It's incredibly sweet, but it is delicious. We should find out what's in it.
Sugar.
It basically is just sugar, but it's really good. Look at that for a car. A silver glittery car, wow.
All the colours.
Guys, my battery is about to die, so I'm going to wrap this vlog up here. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you want to see more from us. Be sure to comment down below, guys, and let me know where your favourite place is to get Roti Prata, or Roti Prata, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Adios.
Adios.